Hello guys, this is your motor journey. This is a quick review of the Black Diamond Spot 400 headlamp. This packs a lot of features, so stay tuned and enjoy watching. The package comes with 3 AAA batteries, 1 manual, and the headlamp itself. The Black Diamond Spot 400 headlamp has 3 modes. First is the main light or the long range focusing beam. The second one is the proximity light or the wide angle beam, and the third one is the red light or the night vision. It has 3 switches or buttons. This is the main switch or button. This is where you turn on and turn off your headlamp. You just press it once to turn it on, press it again to turn it off. And also this serves as to turn on the strobe. You just double click to turn it on and then press once to turn it off. And this is also serve as the dimming button. You just long press this one until your desired brightness is reached. And the second switch is the mode selector switch or button. Every time you press this one, it will cycle to different modes. For example, when you press this one, it will toggle from main light to proximity light, and then when you press it again, it will toggle from proximity light to red light, and then once you press it again, it will toggle from red light to main light. And this one is the power tap feature. As soon as you tap this one, it will go to the highest brightness output, and once you tap it again, it will go back to the original brightness. This one is very useful when you hear strange noise and you want to check what's in there without having to go near. This one is very useful, and you can tell the headlight up to 30-degree angle. And this one is a dual fuel. It means you can use either the rechargeable lithium-ion batteries or the 3 AAA batteries. This is IPX8. This means it's a waterproof tested and can operate at least 1.1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. And the maximum brightness for this one is 400 lumens. The burning time is 2.5 hours, and the maximum throw distance of the beam is 100 meters. But if you're going to use the lowest brightness, which is the 6 lumens, the burning time is 200 hours and the throw distance is 12 meters. By the way, this weighs only 78 grams with batteries, and it has digital lock mode feature. This safeguards against accidental use when you stored it in a pack or your pocket. So you just long press these two buttons, and then once this red light blinks, it means the lock feature is turned on already, and when you want to turn it off, you just do the same process. It is very comfortable to wear because the band is very soft and elastic, and also it has an adjustable strap. So that's it. Thanks, and until next time.